Welcome back, guys. This is going to be the 25th and final video for the series Workspace Optimization. This has been a great journey for me to be able to create a video per strategy in my guidebook. Like I said in the other videos, you can go ahead and check that out. It's going to be in the link down below. It's completely free and it has 25 of my favorite strategies that I've used during this time of COVID, where I had to stay at home to lock myself in and just get work done. And these strategies have served me during this time, so I wanted to share that with you guys. If you haven't checked it out before, go ahead and check it out and go through it before watching these videos. That guidebook already has a lot of value, so you can pretty much get all the information. But for those of you who are more curious and who want to learn more about each strategy, hopefully this video solves your question. If not, you can also contact me directly and leave a comment down below so I can get back to you as soon as I can. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video. All right, use self-awareness. I think without a doubt, this is probably the most important thing to really help yourself to become the best version of just in general in everything you do. Just being more perceptive of where you are and what your state of mind is. And in terms of workspace optimization, just knowing what works around your environment and what doesn't. So you want to be comparing yourself yesterday to today. And by doing so, you're able to see the progress that you've been making and really just tweak some settings to see if, and really this is just all an experiment, to see what works and what doesn't work for you. Because being comfortable and in your own personal way of doing things works better than just me speaking and saying to you, this is what you should do. Because you know yourself and you know that there's things that you might not work well with, and there are things that you do, and it just comes down to being more self-aware and sensitive to these changes. So what I recommend in order to really take full advantage of using your self-awareness is to dedicate a journal for productivity before going to sleep. What I mean by that is you want to have a journal where you write down the progress that you've made and just to review it and to see what things have been going right, what things have been going wrong, what you can improve on, and what you can discard. And by doing that, you're setting yourself more up for self-awareness, you're being more sensitive to your surrounding and making those necessary changes if needed. So what happens once you start becoming more aware, right? You're able to fine-tune what works and what doesn't, and this is, like I said, it's a very important part about this whole workspace optimization. You want to find what really works for you and to not worry too much about what doesn't, and just really focus on what works for you so that it can really serve you and your situation, your specific needs and situation. You also become more comfortable and optimized for productivity. So it all really begins in a state of calm. When you are not in the right state of mind, it's very, very hard to really focus and to get things done. So the point of this video, but also just in general in workspace optimization, is really to find the ideal workspace environment just for you, specifically for you, so that you can get to work in the right state of mind and produce as high of quality that you can. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this very last video. This has been truly a blessing for me to be able to speak to you in front of the camera about these specific strategies. I've implemented all these strategies into my life, and I've been using them, and I'm so super grateful that I've had the opportunity to really observe my overall productivity through really just taking control of my space that I was in, no matter how big or small it was, just my immediate surroundings that I could use to then get enough focus and time to get things done, get the work done that was really important for me. So I hope that in in that same spirit, that you also can take away from this the valuable strategies and really just implement them into your life. And like I said, be self-aware and find out what works for you, and discover a whole different environment setup for your success that works for you. So yeah, that was a bit of long words that I used, but anyways, hope you guys like this video. Click on the like button if you liked it and got value from it. Also click on the subscribe button to see more videos. This won't be the very last video that I'll ever create. I'll be definitely creating more videos throughout the week regularly, so if you want to see more of me in action and learn more, then go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And last but not least, if you haven't checked out the ebook, down below it's going to be in the link, so go ahead and do that first before you watch these videos, and I hope to see you in the next video.